Also here, Uyen. Okay, for one. Okay, so Uyen. Hello, Uyen. Okay, here, so Uyen, on Monday, you will be having your CAT test exam. So, you will be having CAT test. So, I need you to familiarize with the CAT reading and writing because this will be part of the test and I want you to be familiar with the test. So, let us try to answer this one. Please try to answer it, try to understand. And we will have this on today is a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For successive 3 days, we will have to study the cat reading. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so just try to answer this one. Try to understand what is in cat. This is your first time to study this one. Okay, so we have here, Huyen, some words, some vocabulary words. We have here first careful, next repair, next mind, next exact, next is break. Okay, careful. You know the word careful?
Yes.
Okay, repair.
Yes.
Next is mind.
Yes.
Exact.
Yes.
Break.
Yes.
Okay, so we have here. So very good. So now we again, I have here some 5 questions for the first. In questions 1 to 5, you notice you have questions here and you will answer A to H. Okay, you will answer A to H on the answer sheet here. So I will try you here some of the words. Okay, so these are the words. Okay, you will have to pick here, you will have to pick here the answers, okay? So you will write A, B, C here, this one, and the choices are here. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So to answer now, try to read and answer. Just tell me if you are done.
Teacher.
Okay?
No.
Okay? So number one, you can't drive this way. You can't drive this way. Okay? So you can't drive this way. So you will have to pick answers here. Just try to pick what do you think. Okay, example for zero. I have here. For letter O, the information is this one. This is the answer, letter A. We can answer your question. So that is answer your question. That is, okay, I will have to write here. Okay. Answer information. Look at the underlined word. Answer your information. Answer your question. It's information is the answer. So letter number one. Again, I will answer number one. Look at number one. Letter F. Look at Uyen. You can't drive this way. Can't. Can't drive this way. So answer is letter F. Police will notice road closed. Okay, so you cannot enter because there's police. Okay? So try to answer 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, go Oyen, you can do it. Just your hint, kindly look at the underlined word. Children, not pay. Okay. Okay, we are talking here, Oyen, about the children. Children do not have to pay. So, if you are children 12 years below, you will not pay.
Ah.
Oh, you understand?
Play.
You understand now? Oh, see? Oh, it's just look at the underlined word. The underlined word. Read it and understand, please.
Wait, I like this one. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Okay. So letter number 2. You look at number 2. Children do not have to pay. No pay. So what is that? You are free. Okay. What's the answer? Oh, very good. Number 3.
A.
Okay, good job, Uyen. Number 4, be careful when you stand up. Careful. When you stand up. When you stand up. Your head. Okay, go, Uyen. Be careful when you stand up. Be careful when you stand up. What will happen when you stand up?
You sleepy.
What's that?
Need you.
Okay, go, Uyen.
Or here. Head.
Ahead. Yes, very good. Okay, next, we work quickly. We work quickly.
B. Choose, prepare what you want and work where you want.
While you wait.
Choose, prepare
While you wait.
while you wait.
Yes. Look at, it's while you wait.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay. What's your answer? Go Yen.
Want it good? What is that?
Okay, what's the answer? We work quickly.
H.
Go. We work quickly. So, you will have, oh, you the one you told me a while ago, the one you tell.
B.
Letter?
B.
Yeah, okay, you're right. Let us try.
No.
Okay, go.
Want to.
Go, Oyen, go, Oyen, go. Go, Oyen, go, Oyen, go. What's your answer? You can do it, Oyen.
What is H? What is H?
Letter. What's your answer? You put letter B now. Your answer.
What is H?
Letter H.
What is H?
H is waiting room. So you will have to, there's waiting room. You will have to wait in the room. That's waiting room.
H. No.
Okay, let's answer. Letter A. Children do not have to pay. Look at letter A, Oyen. Okay, look at the computer. Look at letter A. It's adult, 250. But children, it's under 12. That's children. They are free. Okay, so letter A is correct. Do you understand, Oyen? You understand number 2? Look at number 2. Do you understand number 2?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next, number 3. Can you read number 3?
You can sell yes 6 days a week.
Very good. Your answer is letter G. Very good, Uyen. It's open daily, 10 to 6. Okay? 10 in the morning to 6 in the evening, except Monday. So 6 days. Very good. Number 4. Can you read number 4?
Be careful when you stand up.
Okay, be careful when you stand up. Of course, when you stand up, you have to mind your head. Okay, letter C. Very good. Mind your head. You stand up. Yeah. Mind your head when you stand up. Next, we work quickly. Work quickly. Letter B. We work quickly. Letter B. Shoes repaired while you wait. Oh, they have very fast working. They are very fast in working. So we work quickly. while you wait. So you don't need to make it so long because while you are waiting in the shoe shop, they will repair. So work quickly. Okay, did you understand number 5? Oh yeah, you
Yes.
understand number 5? You understand it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, next one here. So for here, okay, can you erase it out? I will be the one to erase. Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you. So in 6 to 10, you will have to read the sentences about the birthday. Choose the best word, A, B, or C, for each space. For question 6 to 10, you will have to mark A, B, or C. Okay, this is example. Okay, look at the example. Nina blank up early that morning because it was her birthday. Woke up. Okay, because it was. Okay, that's like this. You will answer this one. Sun, look up. Donglen, wake up. Tokday, come up. Saira. I don't know the Vietnamese. Saira. How do you... Yeah, I don't know that one. What? How do you read this one in Vietnamese? Donglen? Donglen?
Đứng lên.
Ah, Donglen. Wake up. What wake up?
Thức
Tokday.
dậy.
Come up.
Mập xảy ra.
Xảy ra. Okay. Đứng lên. Tokday. Xảy ra. Oh, teacher Ann is very good in talking Vietnamese. Okay. Okay. So you will have to answer like this. Just in circle. Oh, yeah. Just in circle. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, wait for a while. I need to. Okay. Answer now. In circle only. Just in circle. Nina was very blank because she got lots of presents. Interesting, lovely, or happy? You encircle.
It's very easy because it's happy. It's not
Oh,
lovely.
you understand. Okay, next, number 7.
Can you?
She blanked some friends to her house for a party. Decided, agreed, or invited.
Decided.
She decided, agreed, invited some friends to her house for a party.
Invite.
It's invited. It's invited.
Invited.
Yeah.
Invite. I think it's invite.
Okay, number 8. Her mother made a big chocolate blank with happy birthday on the top.
Big chocolate meat.
Oh, you'll find it very easy here.
Cake.
Okay, in circle. Okay, number 9. Nina and her friends had a great time singing and dancing and blank to their favorite music. Listening, hearing, or looking. Music.
Look, no. Yeah, no, listening.
Okay. 10. When they had to go, everybody blanked Nina and her mother for the party. Said, thank, or told.
When they has
To go, everybody said, thank, or told.
Say, na, and her mother of party. Told.
Okay. Okay, let's answer. Number 6. Nina was very happy. Very good. Number 7. What is your answer, Oyan? What's your answer? She?
Yes.
She in answer? You name, you speak your answer. She
invited some friends to her house of the coffee.
Okay, very good. It's invited. Number 8. Her mother made a big chocolate cake with happy birthday. Number 9. Nina and her friends had a great time singing, dancing, and listening to music. Very good. Number 10. When they had to go, okay, bye-bye, we have to go now. Nina and her mother for the party, they have to thank. Okay, they will say thank you, of course. Thank you for the food. Like that. Thank you for inviting us. So they will say thank you. Okay, do you understand? You understand, Oyen? So you got how many points? 4 points, Oyen. Very good. Wow. Yay. Great job. Okay, next here. I will erase first. Oh my God, Iris, thank you. Complete the 5 conversations, 11 to 15. Mark A, B, or C. Example, look up this. Example, how are you? I'm fine. I'm better. Or I'm 18. What's the answer? I'm fine. Oh, that's the answer. Oh, how are you, Uyan? What will you say? I'm fine. I'm 18. I'm better or I'm fine. Oh, will you say that I'm Oyan? I will say, how are you? You will say, I'm Oyan. You will say that. Of course, you will say, I'm fine. Oh, like that. So you will answer this one like this. Okay? So encircle your answer. Just encircle.
It's time of lunch.
Okay.
Oh, 1 hour.
It's time for lunch. Oh, what will you say?
Good.
Oh, it's time for lunch. I want to eat. Oh, what will you say? Okay. Okay. Number 12. Would you like a drink?
I don't like coffee.
I don't like coffee. I prefer tea or coffee, please.
No, coffee, please.
Oh, very good. Oh, very smart, my Oyen girl. Okay, next.
How much was your new shirt?
How much was your new shirt? It's a red shirt. It was very cheap. It was in the shop.
It was very cheap.
Okay, number 14. I'm very sorry, Oyen. Oh, what's your answer? You will say, I'm very sorry, Oyen. So what will you say?
I'm fine, so.
Okay. I'm afraid so. I think so. That's all right. Oh, what will you say?
That's all right.
Let's see if you're correct in circle.
Do you speak English? No, I'm not.
Do you speak English, Oyen? No, I'm not. Only a little?
Yes.
Yes, very much. What is that? Okay, let's see your answer. Number 11. Let's check this. Okay, 11.
Teacher,
Okay, why?
in the 11,
What's your
11,
answer? Yeah.
it's yes very much, but what is the answer?
Okay, here, number 15. Do you speak English? Yes, very much.
Yes.
Or, no, I'm not. Or only a little. Okay. Let's see. Number 11. What's your answer? It's time for lunch. Oh, good.
Oh.
Yeah. Would you like a drink? Coffee, please. Okay. Oh, very good. How much was your new shirt, Uyan? It was
It's very cheap.
Teacher, yeah. Okay. I'm very sorry, Uyan.
That's all right.
That's all right. Very good. Do you speak English, Uyan? Only a little. Oh, only a little. Oh, you know what? Your answer is correct. Letter B, letter A, look at here. Letter A answer is correct. Letter B is correct and letter C is correct. Because when you say or when you ask, can you speak English, Teacher Anne? Okay, if I cannot speak English, I will say, no, I'm not. Okay, or you can say only,
no, you're not.
only
Why
a little.
No.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So you can also say a little, only a little. Okay, because you were asking, do you speak English? You can also say, yes, very much. Okay, so your answer, I will consider it correct. Okay, 5 points for Uyen. Okay, next, Uyen.
Teacher, and do you speak English? You said no.
No, I'm not. Okay. No, I'm not. It's not correct actually. You will say, oh yeah, do you speak English? No, I can't. That's no, I can't. Not no, I'm not. No, I can't. Oh yeah, do you speak English? A little. Oh yeah, do you speak English? Yes, very much.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, you said no. No,
I'm not.
Can't.
No, I can't is supposed to be the correct because you will say, or you will say, teacher.
No.
No, I don't. You will say, no, I don't.
You said the English one. Why
Okay.
do you know?
What is that? Oh, number 1, letter A. Di ba? Oh, yan. Do you speak English? Okay, you will say, the answer here is, no, I'm not. Okay. So, it's not the correct. You can say, the correct one for that, you can say, no, I don't. I don't speak English. And you can also say, yes, very much. I can speak English. Or you can say, only a little. You can have that answer. Okay? You can also, oh yeah, you know, do you speak English? What will you say? If I will ask you, what will you say? You will say, okay? What will you say?
What?
You will say, yes, I can. Yes, I do. Or you will say, yes, I do. Oh, okay? You understand? Okay. For 16 to 20, listen to teacher. For 16 to 20, you will have to complete this conversation at the garage. What does the woman say to the car mechanic? Okay. Complete this conversation at the garage. What does a woman say to the car mechanic? Okay. You know the car mechanic? You know who is that?
Yes.
Okay. The car mechanic is the one who fix the car.
Fix the car.
Yeah, very good. Teacher Ann told you about that. The car mechanic fix the car. Wait for a while. Okay. The car mechanic fix the car. Uyan. He will be the one to fix your car if your car is in trouble or your car is damaged or destroyed. Okay. Let's have this. Okay, for a while. Okay. You pick also. Okay, here I cannot. You pick the answer only. Just write the answer here. Here. Other side. 16. Okay, I will give you the answer for number 1. Good morning. This is the example. Good morning, madam. What's the problem? Okay, so the answer is, look at letter B. Look at letter B. I'm not sure the brakes aren't working very well. Okay, that's the answer for letter B. Again, good morning, madam. What's the problem? Letter B, you will say, I'm not sure the brakes aren't working very well. Okay, so that's the answer, letter B. Okay, then the mechanic said, what do you mean? You will pick the answers here. You will pick the answers here. So this one, letter B, is already
G.
okay. You put your answers in the beside here. What do you mean? Okay, what's the answer? Letter
G.
Letter D. Very good. You write letter D in 16.
D.
Okay, you write letter D in 16.
Speaker is acronym A.
Okay, letter D. I see. We can probably repair that easily. Can you leave that car now? What's your answer?
Replace the afternoon.
Okay, what's the answer? Can you leave the car now? Oh,
A. I'm great. I'm here today. How about the weekend? F. Mm. Teacher.
Say yes, I'm here. So we're completely full on Saturday. So what will be your answer? Oh, they're full on Saturday. So what will be your answer?
A.
A,
A.
A or H?
H.
Hey, you're
A.
right there. You're right there, Oyen girl. Julian, faster na. You prepare. Please. The bell. Fix the bell. Para mag-iwas na.
Teacher.
Yes.
Why you don't come to school?
I don't come to school because today is our party because we will have party this morning after your class. I'll go to the party. We don't have school today. So I will go to the party for our school. We have a party in the swimming pool. Because it's Noel, it's Christmas party. Do you have party in the school already? Not yet?
What date is in your country?
Today is Friday. It's Friday already. Why?
Today
Do not forget, children. Do not forget. You roll right. Okay? Today, what happened to you today? You will go to school also? You will go to school also today?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Very good. Yeah. You make good in school.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
On
Next.
Saturday, I don't go.
Yeah. Of course. Saturday and Sunday don't have school, right?
Yes. And Friday too. I'm today Friday too.
Okay. In your country, it's Friday too.
What day is in the country?
Today is Friday.
No. Month.
Okay, where's your answer now? Number 19. Yes, all right. Could you come in the morning? Okay. I knew already. Yes, all right. Could you come in the morning? It's letter. What's the answer? Letter? Letter? Could you come in the morning? Or what? I'd prepare in what time?
I will pay afternoon.
Oh, very good, Oyen girl. You're right there fast.
A. Two, shoot. 2Y. 1.
Oh, very good, my dear. Okay. And the woman will say, okay. It's letter. And one thing for more. What?
I work on Monday. Yeah.
What's it? And okay. And one thing for more. The woman will say, okay. It is. Oh, no, where you have letter C already? So you will have to ask what?
No. No, C.
See, very good. Good job. Oh, very smart. Oh, yeah. How did you know that? Let's see if our answer is correct.
So, correct.
Oh, it's correct, teacher. Let's see if the answer of teacher Anne and Uyan is correct. Okay, here. Good morning, madam. Okay, the answer B. What do you mean? Letter G. When the brake goes, the car. Okay, we're wrong. I see we can probably repair that easily. Can you leave the car now?
Oh.
Very good.
Yeah.
F. Very good, letter F. Oh, what's letter F?
I know the answer is D, but you said D.
Okay. Teacher Ann is tricking you. Okay. Okay, it's okay. But your answer is letter F. Correct. Okay. I'm sorry. We're completely full on Saturday. Very good. Yes, all right. Could you come in the morning? Letter A. Very good. And what's number 21? 20. It's letter C. Oh, teacher Ann, I thought it's letter D. It's not letter G. I hear it letter D. So I say, it's letter D? Oh, teacher Ann hear it not good. Okay? Okay, but you got, wow, how many points, Oyen girl? You got only one mistake. Wow, +5. So, Oyen, you got 710. 710 over 20. You got 3 mistakes only. Yay! Very good, Oyen. Oyen, good job. Really good job. Come here, teacher. You show me your face. Where's your face? Where's your face? Okay. Oh, great job. You got how many points? How many points? 17. And you got only how many mistakes? How many wrongs?
3.
3 only. Very good. Great job, my dear. Yay! Love, love. Oh, yan. Okay. So tomorrow, we're going to continue that. I want you to be ready for the test. Okay? Okay? Because our task is listening. Cat, we are not going to have test in flyers. So your task is cat. So I want you to learn reading more. So Saturday and Sunday, we will be having a reading. Okay? Okay, Uyan? You understand,
Yes.
teacher? And yeah, great job. Yeah. I know it's quite hard for the first time because what? This is your first, but don't worry, we will make it reading. Okay, go, go, go. Oh, yeah. Okay? Okay, where's your face? Teacher will say goodbye now. Okay. So for today, teacher will say thank you very much. Oh, yeah, girl. Tomorrow you don't have school. You don't need to go to, oh, what will you do tomorrow?
But I have class in the morning, in the afternoon too.
Oh, wow. You will have dance class? You will play in your dance?
No.
You will?
In 8 o'clock, I go to my teacher's house. I will do my readings. In 10 o'clock, I go home. I eat and I sleep. And 2 o'clock, I go to my school. I will go English and 3 o'clock.
Wow. You will be very smart now. Oh my God, you will be very smart because you keep on going to your English teacher. In the morning, teacher Anne, English teacher. And the morning again, there's teacher. In the afternoon, there's teacher. Oh my God, you will become teacher. You want to be a teacher?
No.
You want to be a teacher like teacher Anne? You want to be like that? Oh, why you don't like to be a teacher?
I like to be
I know. You like to be a journalist, right? Oh, you told me about
But
that.
I like to
To be
be
actor, actress.
a dance.
What?
A dance.
A dance instructor?
Hmm.
A dance in the school?
I like to dance too.
Wow.
No.
Okay. When you met teacher and we will dance together. I know how to dance. Oh, you don't
No.
believe?
I
Oh,
like to dance like a ballerina.
wow. You want to dance like a ballerina. So you study ballet. Oh, you have decided. Okay for now, Uyan. Thank you for today. And love, teacher. Good morning. Oh, where's your love sign? Here, like that. Love sign is like that. Okay, show me your love sign. No. It's not the love sign, teacher. Where's your love sign? Like that is the love sign. Okay? Okay?
And it's a love sign.
It's love sign. It means that teacher love Uyan and Uyan loves teacher. Like, oh, it's the love sign like this. I don't know. Okay, love sign. Do you like? Do you love the lesson today? You like the lesson for teacher today? Stretch. Okay. Do you like teacher Anne? Okay, I will ask you every day. Do you like teacher Anne?
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Okay. Love sign.
My baby.
Oh, where's the baby?
Baby.
Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's your little baby? The cute baby. Oh, the baby's still sleeping. Still sleep. Okay, you go back to sleep now? You will go back to sleep? Oh, no. You want to sleep?
Yes.
Okay, you
All
go
this
back to...
time I go to school.
Okay. Wow. Very smart. Oh, yan. Love, teacher. Oh, that's the love sign. Okay? What's the love? You know how to do the love sign? Okay. Show me your love sign. Okay. Show me your... Oh, very good. Oh, yan, girl. Okay. Bye-bye, teacher. Bye-bye. Okay. Okay. Enjoy.